In Windows, go to Google and write ImageJ download. Go to the NIH website and select the one that says for Windows. Download the software in a place that you can remember, like the desktop or a folder of your choice. Once it's downloaded, open the folder where you have downloaded it. Open the file. If you do not have WinRAR, you will still see an option to extract the file, or you can just drag and drop to a different place. Now this is an uncompressed file ready to be opened. Open the folder and double click ImageJ application. Allow access if it asks you for firewall clearance, and that is it. You are ready to run ImageJ on Windows. For Mac, it's also very simple. Again, go to your browser, any search engine, and type ImageJ download. Go to the NIH link. Select the one for Mac OS X. It should download very quickly for you. Then open the file wherever it is downloaded. Usually it's in the downloads folder. Double click on it. It should extract automatically. And here you have the ImageJ file. Double click on it. In certain cases, you may not be able to open it, in which case, follow these steps. Go to the settings, system preferences, and security and privacy. Under security and privacy, click on Open Anyway for apps that are not under App Store. After that, when you double click on ImageJ, it should be opened easily.